I am Engineer Justice Ekeke of Solar King Industries Limited. Today, we want to talk about batteries. There are basically two categories of batteries: the secondary cell and the primary cell. As far as solar energy is concerned, we're going to limit ourselves to the secondary cells. Now, even under the secondary cell, we have the deep cycle batteries and the shallow cycle batteries. The one that is not deep, that is the one we use for cranking. For example, the vehicle batteries. Well, today we're going to talk about the deep cycle batteries, and these are the batteries suitable for solar system. Please take a look at what I have here. I have an example of a battery, a deep cycle battery. Deep cycle batteries come in sizes. We have the 100 amps, we have the 150 amps, we have the 200 amps, we have the 220 amp hours. Then there are smaller ones like the 7 amp. Now, for a good solar system, you need a sizable battery. I prefer going for the biggest, the 200 or the 220 amps batteries. The advantage there is that it sustains your load for a longer period of time. Now, I want us to look at how you can tell the polarity of batteries. Every battery has two terminals. Most batteries have two terminals. You have the positive and the negative terminal. Now, let's take a look at the terminal of this battery. The computer. You have the positive, which is here, and we have the negative. In most batteries, they identify the positive side with a red mark, while the negative side is with a black mark. So color coding usually is used to identify the positive and the negative terminal. Now, if you like what we are doing, please subscribe to this channel and follow us as we tell you more about batteries, how you can identify the polarities of batteries, then how you can make your choice of good batteries. There is lots to learn about batteries, so we are here to educate you. Please follow us, subscribe to this channel, you'll get the best of it.